YY11LKK has just arrived, and I don't know why, but the windows are taped up, or not very well taped up, but it looks like the battery's flat. So this side is dry, but that's soaking wet down there. This window's down. I honestly don't know why. What's happened here? The car's just been left by the looks of things. I'll charge the battery and see if we can't sort this out. The battery cover's missing. There should be a cover here. As I say, this window has been taped ineffectively, and this is soaking wet. It's absolutely filthy in here, but by the by, really. Let's see if we can get the battery charged.